Hey, what's up everybody? Thomas Miata here, and we have to get the drift taxi ready for AMA Motorsports competition on the 10th. So that's coming up in 3 days on Saturday, and the car needs a little bit of maintenance. Found out that the drive shaft is loose, so I have to tighten that up. Lost a nut on that, so I have to figure out something with that. That requires me to pull the diff back a little bit, sort all that out. Then I need to do an oil change and need to do a power steering pump, brand new to me fan that I got off of eBay for 100 bucks. It's a Coolride fan. Pretty excited about it because I've been using the Ford Taurus fan on there, and the last one I had on there burnt up. So drift taxi's behind me, we're gonna get started. So we're at the back of the transmission. This is a ZF BMW transmission, 5-speed with a PMC adapter kit. You can get those from Drift HQ. Tell them Thomas Miata sent you. And we have a drive shaft shop, custom drive shaft in this with an adapter. And essentially the bolt came loose and the nut fell off. And you can see the nut on this one, but it is also loose. Got the first nut out, and I'm going to throw some Loctite on it. Hey, and we're back. So I had to run out to the store and get another nut because I could not find a nut in the box. And I would have loved to have gotten a grade 8, but they didn't have it, so I had to go with a grade 5. It is a locking style this time at least. And Steve showed up. Hello. What's good? Drifts as well. He's got an E46 LS swap. Go ahead and shout out your Instagram, buddy.
SPDS limits.
Speed limits. Check it out. Got the hood open. And I need to actually loosen my serpentine belt. Check out the turbo. Yeah. Those are real wastegates. Nothing else is real in the car.
Nope. It's all an illusion.
Anyways, I'll loosen this up. And then we'll get to taking the power steering pump off and the fan shroud as well. Day 2, guys. I'm not actually at the house anymore, not at the garage. And I have stopped over at Powder Coat Express. Guys, definitely check him out. He's hooking it up. I'll show you what he's got in there. Big thing is he can powder coat pretty much anything. He has an oven large enough to fit, I don't know, maybe like a semi-truck frame in that thing. Not the trailer, but the truck. It's a really big oven, no doubt. But yeah, check it out, guys. We'll get back to it soon. We have Kevin showing up at the garage here shortly as well. So I need to get home, knock out the water pump and the fan, which I didn't film too much of, but you'll get caught up on that later. He's bringing his Corvette. Shout it out. Powder Coat Express. Hell yeah. So I show up, and this man back here is talking about some underground location spots maybe. And I don't know if he's got the idea, but I don't know. I'm thinking like underground drift comp with live drones and media, and no one knows where it's at until the day of. You know, free for the drifters. Just got to make content. I don't know. What do you think? Oh, 100%. You know, if you create it, it'll happen. If you build it, they will come. Okay, Kevin is pulling in, guys. I told you he'd be here. First time I've had a Corvette in this garage. Say what's up to the YouTube, guys.
What up?
I'd rather be dabbing on Instagram, guys. Keep going back out about a foot. Keep keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah, that'll work, that'll work. Sick. We are full swing here. Got food getting ordered, thank you, Heather. DJ's in the background, Kevin's working on his car.
You want fries? No, I'm fine. No, okay.
What's good, everybody?
Eating chips, we ordered food.
Chilling, chilling.
Putting FDF on.
Kevin's doing an FDF kit. Shout out to FDF. Gonna be throwing down. I am in the middle of multiple things, as you know, on my car. Status report on it is I have discovered that I bought the wrong power steering pump, so I just cleaned that one out, cleaned the system out. We'll see about that. I gotta put the water pump back together, throttle body back together, and then figure out how to wire the fan, run the coolant hoses differently, and then that should be good. Full send. Little status update. I cut the nose off of this and welded it. I don't recommend that. I just need it for clearance. But the mod I'm talking about is actually in the water pump here. There is a space that's a hole where the thermostat would normally fill. You put a plug in there, 1/4 inch hole in that plug. I think it's like 31 millimeters or 32 millimeters. Look it up, you'll figure it out. But that helps with cavitation under high RPM. And you're supposed to cap the lines off here. This hose is pretty well kinked, so I think we're good. Oh yeah, angle kit's installed. That's what you get. It'll do. Get the job done. Right, Kevin?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, buddy. And Jake stopped by too. What's up, Jake?
What's going on?
He's of the e-brake variety. E-brake Jake, Instagram, the beers. From all the work, take a ride with Kevin in the Corvette. See what she's about. Oh yeah, bud. Oh yeah. Feels great. Feels great. All right, we'll see you on the flip side. Oh yeah.
That's it.
No, the traction control, that'll help. Try transition. Stay on throttle because LSD. Watch this pole, watch the pole. Oh yeah, bud. Ready?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she rips.
Gets the job done?
We're gonna have fun this weekend, boy. We are going to have some fun this weekend.
And a little update on the power steering. It is not working properly. It's intermittent and notchy, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. So I'm actually gonna try using a little bit of Lucas power steering stop leak. Now, I'm not sponsored by Lucas, but maybe I should be, because I use their product in the engine oil, the oil stabilizer, every single time I do my oil. Fingers crossed this product works, and if it does, I might have to do a little review video or something. Hey, don't forget to check out AMA Motorsports, guys. Alan is awesome, and the event is a good time, and the mini comp's also a good time. They're gonna have some prizes and stuff too. Don't forget to check them out. Went and cut the grass, super nice. But yeah, that'll be it for this one. Hopefully you liked the non-editing style, and made for a lot less work for me. And yeah, leave in the comments down below. Let me know. We'll go from there. And the next video will probably be me drifting.